Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be giving you tips for you to begin your fitness journey. Let's get started. Alright, some of these tips are going to be no-brainers, but oh well. Okay, number one, figure out your why. So ask yourself this question: why do I want to start being fit? Why do I want to start my fitness journey? Why do I want to become fit? Sometimes your mind just tends to go to the simplest answer, which is to look better, to look attractive, to get abs, to get muscle, whatever. And ask yourself more, dig deeper. I mean, I'm sure there's a deeper reason. There's always gonna be a deeper reason towards becoming fit. If you're just saying, okay, I want to look fit because, or I want to be like you. Yeah, that's a very basic answer, right? I'm sure if you think deeper, there's always going to be a deeper reason why you want to do this. For instance, I get some students coming in saying, okay, they want to look better, and I ask, okay, why do you want to look better? Why? And they're like, well, I want to get more girls. I want to do this. I want to do that. Why do you want to do that? Because okay, back in high school, I used to be a laughing stock or something, So yeah, you see where I'm going with this, right? So digging deeper helps you figure out the real reason why you want to start working out, and that's gonna help you stay motivated. Number two, nutrition. Oh, this is my favorite part, food. This is very important too. You know what? All the tips are important, so forgive me if I keep saying important. Nutrition, very. Dang it. Eat healthy, okay? Go out there, shop, come back and cook your meals. That's very good. It reduces the amount of times you eat junk food. Also, I mean, everyone does eat junk food. I eat it once in a week, once or twice. I'm not gonna mention names, but McDonald's is good, right? Also, monitor your food intake. Okay, there are different diets for different goals. If you're thinking about losing weight, um, you're eating lots of sugar, that's they don't go with each other, right? So reduce your sugar intake, and that's gonna get you reaching towards your goal. Yeah, okay. Number three, workout. It's a no-brainer. If you want to start looking fit, all you gotta do is work out, okay? It's very easy. I mean, for some people it's hard, but when you start, where you get used to it, you tend to start liking it. It's gonna get much more easier for you. So right now, all we gotta do is all we are stuck with right now is home workouts, right? I mean, I think it's not as effective as going to the gym, but it's a start, and it's gonna just help you keep your gains, or get you started on your fitness journey. And when the gym's open, hopefully, get back into the gym and keep getting those gains, right? Working out can be scary. It can be overwhelming because there are lots of exercises out there, lots of workout techniques out there. For example, push-ups there are different types of push-ups. No worries, I'll show you more videos on that. But just focus on the ones that you like. That's what I usually tell my students, right? If you try to do lots of different stuff, you'll notice that you won't even be doing anything, because when you try this one, oh, this is not too good for me, I'm gonna go to another one. you know so just stick to the ones that you can do, and just keep doing it, okay? Four, be consistent and never stop doing that, okay? Yes, I said it cause I can. Yeah, by the way, that's Bruno Mars. Is it a lazy song or something? I know, my voice is great. I'll tell you a story. Beyonce actually asked me to feature in her song. One of her songs, I think. I don't remember which one, but I declined because I'm just too good for that. I need my voice is just awesome. My coworkers always tell me that. You know who I'm talking about. The song that I just sang, you know that you definitely know that Bruno Mars did not want to do anything. So if you come in with a lazy mindset and you're trying to get fit, well, good luck with that, right? Just all you have to do is change your mindset. When you're being consistent, don't treat the workout or exercise as a hobby. Treat it as a habit. What do you treat as a hobby? For example, Netflix. Well, Netflix can be a habit sometimes. Depends. But you can treat it as something that you always want to be doing, like a habit, right? Because if you keep doing that, if you treat it as a habit, you realize you get to your goal much more faster, much more quicker. So it's very important too. Five, four, yeah, whatever, five, I guess. Set a goal and stick to it. Now, this is actually very helpful for you to stay motivated. Okay, have a goal in place. Tell yourself, okay, I wanna uh, set a goal. For instance, a goal can be I wanna look fit. I wanna look like The Rock in 2 weeks. Okay, that's a well, good luck with that. But set a much more reasonable goal. Okay, I want to look fit within, or I want to not, well, not really fit, but just say I want to burn this amount of calories. I want to burn this amount of fat within 2 weeks or within a certain time. You know, pick your poison. So set that goal and stick to it. Okay, and you see it works. Stay motivated. So join like a fitness group or community that loves to work out, and or if you don't have that opportunity to do that, if you have a sibling or a friend that likes to work out too, just do that with the friend or the sibling, and yeah. Or if you have a coach, you know, and or if you need one, get a coach, you know, that's gonna help you stay motivated. You know, there are various ways to stay motivated. It just depends on your mindset, and you have to change that. You have to work on your mindset. Okay, working out, it's let me tell you, it's not beans. You know, it's a Nigerian thing, right? By the way, I'm Nigerian. Okay, now you're getting to know me. So it's a Nigerian thing. It's not easy. That's what it means. So all you have to do is stick to it, put in the work, and you will reach your goal. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. All right, if you did, consider subscribing. All right, I think it's below. Yeah, it's below. So consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.